Namaskar. As usual, I am RP Vittal here. Today, something special. That is, you can see on the screen one symbol with one abbreviated name. That is RMNSAI. That means Retired Merchant Navy Sailors Association of India. This is a new association formed on 15th June 2020 with the tremendous support of the Indian retired seafarers. Quite back, so many retired seafarers approached me and gave so many calls. Accordingly, I just consulted with them and they asked me to form a association in the name of retired seafarers. I agreed that and formed Retired Merchant Navy Sailors Association of India, registered in Maharashtra in the All India jurisdiction. The main aim of this association is to bring all the retired seafarers together under this association and collect their grievances and put forward to the government of India. Especially quite so many years the retired seafarers not getting any benefits except the MEMA that also stopped last year by the government. So we are going to fight against the government to introduce a pension scheme for the retired seafarers and their widows. This is the international rules. MLC 2006 also mentioned the retired seafarers should get the benefit after the retirement, social benefits. But the government is since so many years not started the social benefits and the retired pension scheme for the seafarers. Now all the retired seafarers come together under the Retired Merchant Navy Sailors Association to request to the government to start a pension scheme. The Sailors Union of India since back wrote a letter to the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and we also received the reply for the letter. Further that there is no initiative taken from the government for the retired seafarers. This is a very good opportunity that all the seafarers, retired seafarers came together to fight for the right of the retired seafarers, especially pension scheme and the social security for the widows. Dear seafarers, the working seafarers are going to be retired after a few years, and if once this government is going to start this scheme, it will be benefited for the working seafarers after the retirement. So that I request all the working seafarers as well as the retired seafarers join with the Retired Merchant Navy Sailors Association to strengthen, to fight against the government, to initiate, to start the pension scheme for the seafarers. Thank you very much.